Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your black fondant and you are going to roll it out, and I'm using my 2-inch cookie cutters for the cupcake toppers, and I'm just cutting them out and putting them off to the side. Next, I'm taking some green fondant. I made this light green mixing like a dark and a white, and I'm using my petal cutter plunger because I found that was like the perfect shape for an alien face. And I'm taking my neon green airbrush food coloring set, and I am painting the face, and then I'm going to set them off to the side to dry. Okay, so next in my paint palette, I have added neon pink, blue, and purple with some white food coloring and some vodka. And I did lay a piece of wax paper down because you want to kind of protect your space, especially if you have to continue to work there. And I'm just dipping my paintbrush, as you can see, into the food coloring, and I'm just tapping it, making it like splatter marks, because I kind of wanted to go for some sort of galaxy type look. I thought this was like a really cool technique, but I'm literally just tapping and splashing the food coloring onto the black fondant. So when you're happy with the way your cupcake topper looks, I'm now taking some metallic silver spray, and I'm holding it really far, and it's the spray luster dust, and I just spritzed it. So it's like kind of shiny, you can't really see it, but it's just very lightly sparkly, and it has like the effect of the galaxy. So next, what I'm doing, this little contraption is for like eyes and ears, and I'm using the oval for the alien's eyes, and of course I'm using my black fondant, and I'm cutting 4 eyes for both of my aliens. And now I'm putting them on. I actually messed up when I put them on, and I didn't angle them and like put them off, so I did fix that. So now I'm taking my airbrush black, and I'm just painting a teeny tiny little itty bitty mouth on the alien head. So now I'm taking my green powdered food coloring, and I'm darkening the edges of the alien. It's going to make it darker, but it's going to be like a soft to kind of give it like a shadowy type look. I really like using different kinds, I've said it before, different kinds of food coloring and stuff like that. But I'm just kind of dusting his head all around, getting the edges and everything. And you can see how it's darkening up. It looks really, really good. Okay, so moving on to the girl alien, I mixed my powdered purple and my powdered pink food coloring, and it made this really pretty rosy color. And pink and green and purple and green really look really good together and kind of alien-ish. So I kind of wanted to give my girl alien like a different look. So I really like how she came out. I think it's really, really cute. So now I'm taking my black pearl dust, and I'm just doing the eyeballs and just kind of giving them a little sparkle and a little pop. So now I'm adding my girl alien to the cupcake topper, and I kind of goofed because I actually have one thicker and one thinner, and I meant to put the boy alien on the thinner one because she was going to have flowers weighing her down, but what are you going to do? I done goofed. So now I'm just taking some little bits and bobs of different colors to play with I'm going to make like a flower headband for my girl alien. And I'm just playing with the flowers and just kind of arranging them and seeing what I like. And I actually really like the orange more than a blue, so I didn't even end up using the blue. But I really like the orange because it's kind of like psychedelic colors. And then I took my sprinkles. I got this tub of sprinkles from Walmart for like $2 or $3. They were in the ice cream section. They always have good stuff over there. Always check out the Walmart section or the ice cream section at your Walmart. And I just put sprinkles in the middle of the flowers. And now I'm just placing the fondant flowers, and I'm using my nail dotting tool that I have never used on nails, by the way. And I'm using that to make my indentation. I put a little dollop of water and I put these like little black sprinkles and the little pink ones, and they are so cute. And then I just was messing around with the different patterns and just kind of how I wanted them to lay. Now that I have my flowers on, I'm taking this little sprinkle mix, has gold stars, and I'm just putting a couple of gold stars because again, this is the galaxy. So I'm just putting a couple of gold stars in the background to kind of jazz it up and make it a little spacey. So now I just grabbed my cupcakes that I just quickly frosted, and I'm putting my toppers on top of the cupcakes, and there they are. Aren't they out of this world? So silly.